Kevin G. Weather Overview, late night edition. Yeah, it's midnight on Sunday. How are we doing? Getting ready for a new week, and we've got a very challenging weather week coming up. Let's take a look at the current temperatures. Midnight in New York here on Sunday, 68. And look at the vast expanse of heat that is building in the Midwest at this hour already. I mean, it's impressive temperatures. It's still in the 80s in Dallas, and, upper 80s too. I mean, no slouch. So, and that is going to be the backdrop of a forecast dilemma that we have for the next 7 to 10 days. Ironing out the first 4 or 5 days is going to be a little problematic, and then after that, it looks like a renewed push of heat as we get ready for September. So here's tonight's forecasted lows from NOAA. Look at those 40s showing up in the Pine Barrens of Long Island potentially, with the very good insulation that they have out there. It is very good reason why they are forecasting these temps with the radiational cooling, the lack of wind, and the clear sky, helping to really get the most out of that cooling at night. Now here's the weather map for Monday morning, and I'm going to highlight the next 2 real chances of rain that we have over the next 3 to 5 days. This is going to be a very challenging aspect of the forecast, and it looks like it's a very low confidence situation right now. We're in the very fast flow of the jet stream. We're going to be on the flank of this giant heat wave that develops over the Midwest, and as a result, we're going to have a very fast jet stream, which will bring disturbances from time to time through our region. The best time for those disturbances to come through with showers and heavy thunderstorms would be Monday night. This is the weather map for Monday morning, nothing going on, but then as we get to Monday night, we see a general area of rain and thunderstorms build over the region, and that'll last probably into Tuesday morning. But again, the timing is very, very subject to change, and it's going to need updating. Now, as we get to Wednesday, we'll see a break for much of Tuesday and much of Wednesday before another frontal passage comes through on Wednesday evening with more showers and thunderstorms. And again, the timing is going to be very, very difficult to determine because of the fact of where we are in the overall configuration of the pattern. But those are the best times I can figure out right now, judging by the 2 local offices that we have near our region, and other stuff like AccuWeather and all the stuff that I usually look at if you've been watching along for a while. Now, here's the overall pattern. We have this major heat wave that's going to build into the center of the midsection of the country, and in the green area is where we are. Again, a part of that fast flow of disturbances. And what it's going to do is it's going to keep our temperatures at bay. For the most part, we're going to be in the 80s, but this is where I disagree with Intellicast, because by Sunday and Monday, that heat over the Midwest is going to start to balloon east. As the upper level ridge over the Midwestern states starts to propagate east, it's going to push more heat and humidity into our region. So that this is the pattern that we start with, but there's a good chance that by Sunday into Monday, as we reach September, we could be dealing with 90-degree heat again. I don't believe those temps offer the long-term Intellicast. I would go with NOAA on that one. It is going to be a very warm week to start September. You can bet the house on it, as far as I'm concerned. That's my opinion. I think that we'll be in the 90s again, and for some places that haven't seen 90 degrees all month, in the month of August, wouldn't it be ironic if we started September with 90-degree heat? I think it's a real possibility as we head toward Labor Day. Frequent updates on blogspot.com and terrifically talented tweets on Twitter at KevStorm NYC.